Morning, Your Excellency, Mr. Safin Zey, Your Excellency, Mr. David Hand, UK General Counsel to Erbil, and Mr. Dr. Amir Saadati, Director of James. Thank you all for being here. We will initiate this press conference about or in regards to MOU Memorandum of Understanding between KRG Ministry of Education and James. Today, it's a real pleasure to sign MOU Memorandum of Understanding between KRG Ministry of Education and James after visit Excellency Prime Minister Mr. Masroor Barzani to UK in April 22 and our delegation visit to UK in May 22. Thank you all for being here. This MOU, it's a great step toward capacity building and teacher trainings and scholarship for Kurdish teacher. Special thanks for James, special thanks for Mr. David Hand for your collaboration and support. Thank you, Kasifin.